So I've been checking out a bunch of stuff on eBay recently, and I came across this thing called a mystery box. Drop a like in this video if you guys have heard of this weird invention. Basically, people just put a bunch of random items in a box, they put a price on it, they throw it on eBay, and you don't know what you're getting. So half the time you could be getting something way overvalued from like the price you're paying, or just absolute crap. So this is kind of a new idea that I came up with. I found 3 mystery boxes at 3 different price points. We're gonna buy them, check them out, and see what kind of tech we get. And what's kind of crazy is, in the eBay terms of service, this is actually not allowed. This is considered a banned video because you can't sell someone a product online without them knowing what they're getting, if that makes sense. So we're out here trapping, we're doing the banned illegal stuff. So I got 3 mystery boxes here. The first one is at 15 bucks. Do not buy if you don't want. This is tech-related items in it. Are you brave enough to buy this? And then that's the seller's name, okay? Is there anything else in the description? No? All right, let's scroll. It's from Illinois. Shout out to all my Illinois peeps. 21 feedback. 5 stars, like, I don't know if I'm trusting that. He seems like he's a trustworthy dude. Let's hit add to cart. Oh, we got a $100 mystery box. This one's different from a new seller. Tech gadgets, iPhone, Android, computer, headphones, smartwatch. Now that entices me. That probably entices you too. All items are perfectly functional. Perfectly functional, that means it could be a used item, could have a bunch of scratches on it. There's one other person watching. That could be us. There's only one available. And the worst part is you can make an offer on all these boxes. But how much feedback does this dude have? It's from LA. Okay, so we'll probably get it soon. 78 feedback. I trust it. I trust it a little more. Let me know in the comments right now if you think we're gonna get a bunch of crap or some actual tech. I'm so skeptical. This is the first time I've actually tried this. Let's jump into the 250 box. See, this is where it gets interesting. This is why I actually want to spend 250 bucks. Mystery surprise box. I like a surprise. Samsung Galaxy phone or other electronics guaranteed. Now, I'm willing to take the risk because they hooked me in with the Samsung Galaxy phone. That'd be dope if we got a new S8. I'd love that. Maybe we're all hopers and dreamers out here. Hopefully. The description says Samsung Galaxy phone or other electronics guaranteed. That's a back guarantee if you're asking me. All used, but in great working condition. All AT&T carrier. Understand this is as is, no returns. The fact that he put AT&T in there tells me we might be getting a phone. Hopefully. Don't rip me off. Who's the seller? Oh, it's from Missouri. 17 feedback. We're probably getting scammed. Like, we are probably getting scammed. Let's hit add to cart. Okay, so we got them all in cart here. $250 one, $100 one, $15 one. Grand total comes out to 374 bucks. Are we gonna get $374 worth of tech or gadgets? I really hope so. Let's hit checkout. I'm getting pumped for it. Cool, so just like that, we placed the order. Now let's wait for all the mystery boxes to arrive. Let's see what we get. So it's been about a week and all 3 mystery boxes have arrived. We got our $15 one, the $100 one, and the $250 one. I just wrote on them just so I know and just so you guys know which is which. Now, the $15 one kind of has an interesting story. The other 2 came no problem. Everything was good with the sellers. But as soon as I bought the $15 one, and this is the one we'll check out first, eBay actually messaged me. It was like, hold up, dude. Don't send the money. If the money's already been sent, it's fine. Hopefully you'll get your box. We'll back you up. But as soon as I bought this, the listing just disappeared. Like, it was one of those sketchy posts, and eBay was like, dude, just be careful. So here's a $15 one. I don't know what to expect. I kind of forgot what these listings said, so we're just gonna be surprised. It's like 15 bucks with $3 shipping. All right, this is looking promising. This is really looking promising. I think we got more than $15 worth of stuff. So we got this VR headset. Is this a used VR headset? I own the exact same one from the dollar store, and it goes for $5. So we're already coming out with $5 worth of stuff. Dude, that's so janky. That is so janky. I'll try this out in a sec. Let's see what else we got. Some Xbox 360 games. Yes, you know I have an Xbox. I love my 360. Madden 11, MW3. Wait, 2 copies of MW3? So we got one of the discs for Forza 4. the content install disc. I think we're good. Let me know in the comments if you guys have an Xbox or a PS4. We got a disc. Is it scratched? Not too bad. MW, literally, like, why? Why throw it in there? Why do this to me? All right. What is this? Yo, what is this a bouncy ball? Some headphones with tinfoil on the side. I get why it's a $15 mystery box. Like, I can't even get mad. Dude, how long were these headphones used for? Like, I gotta wipe these down with some Clorox wipes. The loudness of these headphones is probably like a 1 out of 10. I see why it's in a mystery box. I mean, these looked like a good pair of headphones in their prime, but I think they're way past their prime. The $15 box was pretty disappointing, so let's try out the $100 one. Hopefully we got some better stuff that isn't too used. Oh, I'm feeling optimistic. Is that a sealed game? This person went all out. I know this is what? We got a pop socket? This is good vibes. That's actually useful, brand new. I think we got a brand new movie. Okay, what else? Another VR headset. I'm good. Sundance Film Festival. It's a Google Cardboard with a ooh, that's kind of cool. Ooh, what's in here? No way! Whoa. A Google Home Mini? This is brand new. I don't even have one of these. Yo, a detachable USB-C to USB-A cable. I'm digging this. I'm digging this guy. A battery pack? Wait. Does this have fast charging on? Anchor, like, this is a reputable brand. It's got fast charging on there too. Wow. I think that's a battery pack. It's not a battery pack. It looks like it's just a wall plug with 4 extra USBs. Another USB-C to USB-A cable. Some binoculars. Heck yeah. Got 'em. And they work. They work really well. Yo, check that out. Little cable to charge with the battery pack. And then another USB-C cable. I'm actually excited to continue doing more of these. Drop a like if you guys want another one. Wow, pop socket, binoculars, a movie, a battery pack. We definitely got more than $100 worth of stuff. At least I feel that way. All right, so real quick, here's the deal. So I showed you guys the $250 mystery box, all 3 mystery boxes, but I don't know where the clip is of me actually opening the box. This is what we got. We got 2 Galaxy Note 4s, a Galaxy Tab 3 with LTE, and then 2 OtterBox cases. I think eBay must have broke into the studio, hacked into my laptop, and deleted that clip since the whole mystery box thing is against their terms of service. Here's what we got. Let's go charge them up and see if they work. I don't think they'll work. So we got 2 out of the 3 devices charged up. The Note 4 in the middle is chilling, it works. I've been on it a little bit. It's a Note 4, what can you expect? This phone's a little old. So what's cool about the Note 4 is it was the last Note to have a removable back. Kind of a nice feature, you don't see this anymore. You don't even have the official batteries. We got a gold knockoff battery. I mean, hey, it does the job. The phone's powering on, so I guess that's better than the white one here. Basically, I got it to turn on, and then it just kept going through boot loops, and it's no longer turning on. S Pen comes in here, so that's kind of chill. It works, like, I mean, I'm pretty happy that we got 2 Note 4s and a Galaxy Tab 3. So the Galaxy Tab 3, I've never seen one of these in my life. And what's interesting is it has the old YouTube app on here. So I don't know how long this tablet has been offline or hasn't been updated for. Interesting. And this is a cellular model. So I'm guessing when they bought the Note 4s, if they bought like 2, I mean, that's why I have the Note 4s. Like, they obviously didn't want them. They got a free Galaxy Tab 3. So for 250 bucks, with everything that we got, I mean, some OtterBox cases, and apparently it didn't protect one of the Note 4s well enough because it doesn't work. I would say I'm not disappointed. And what's interesting is if you go on eBay right now and you just look up what a Note 4 is going for, it's going for 140 bucks, a refurbished model. For spending 250 bucks on a mystery box, we got some OtterBox cases. I mean, these are always gonna have value. A Galaxy Tab 3 that works, a Note 4 that works, and then I'm gonna say half of a Note 4, so like a Note 2. I'm not disappointed. Like, this was amazing. That's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys get subscribed and you turn notifications on if you guys want a second mystery box video. And comment down below letting me know if you guys are just joining the Notif Squad. Make sure you follow us on the Insta story because you're gonna see all the behind the scenes for all these videos. And that's it. really wasn't a mystery. Peace.